What's up guys, I'm Akila. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial, which is different because I usually do makeup on this channel. I'm not sure if you guys knew, but I pretty much majorly do my hair. I don't have a hairstylist. Most of my braided hairstyles are done by my sister, but everything else like wigs and weave, that's all me. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, please keep on watching. Okay guys, let's get started. Like, I went out of town with my family and I didn't bring a comb, a brush, nothing. So I just been looking like this for like the last week. Just a hot ass mess. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this ponytail. Let me take my hair down. I washed my hair before I left, so it's clean-ish. Just a mess. Ugh. The ends are dry, but it's pretty moisturized. I think I'm gonna go for a side part, but on the fuller side, on this side, it's a little thinner than this side. Yeah, I love to use like metal rat tail combs. You get more of a like precise part. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna take my denim brush to like brush out my hair. Okay, here it is. Here's my hair all combed out and brushed out. I'm going to part my hair in sections so it will be easier for my hair to be put in a ponytail. Go ahead and like part this off. Just make a part like right in the back here. And I'm going to take one of these little clamps and part this hair off. And I'm gonna do the same for this side as well. It's not perfect, but it helps. So this is what I have left, and I'm gonna brush it with my denim brush again, all back into one. Sometimes I forget how much hair I have because I be wearing wigs. Whew. And since I don't have a spray bottle over here, I'm just going to use this Evian water just to moisten it up, and take my brush again. If you want, you can use Eco Styler gel or whatever gel that you like, but today I'm going to use this Moco de Gorilla Snot. This is in level Punk, so it's on like level 10. Like, I've never used this, but today's gonna be the day, I guess. Maybe I think I put too much. All right, let me try to put this in a ponytail. Oh my god, it's just everywhere. And I'm gonna take a stiff brush to like make sure it's all sleek. And I'm gonna take a hair elastic and put it in a ponytail. Now I'm going to start working on the front pieces. I'm gonna start with this one first. Brush it out, spray it with some water. Let me put some of this on it. Okay, now that I got it all slicked down, I'm going to take another elastic and join it with the ponytail. If you're gonna do baby hairs, go ahead and take a toothbrush and like take them out so they don't get all stiff into the ponytail. Okay, now we're gonna work on this side. We're gonna repeat the same process. I'm gonna brush it out again to make sure there's no tangles. If your hair's not detangled, it won't lay flat. So make sure you take the time to detangle your hair. I'm gonna take the Gorilla Snot again. Oh my god. This stuff is so weird. With this section, you could take the time to mold out like how you want your hair to lay. Like you could bring the bang more forward, or you could swoop it backwards. Okay, I feel like that looks sleek enough. I feel like it could get a little more sleeker. I feel like tying it down will help with how sleek it is. So I'm not gonna worry about the lumps and bumps right now. And go ahead and take out baby hairs if you want baby hairs. Before I put on a head tie, I'm gonna use this hairspray by Ozzy just to add some extra hold to any place that I might have skipped and didn't put any gel on. Okay, now I'm gonna take this satin scarf that I got from Walmart. It's like $4. I got like 4 of them, but I swear every time I need one I can't find it. So yeah, go ahead and take a nice satin or silk scarf and tie your head down. But make sure if you have a scarf that got a double in the front, don't put it on top of your hair because it will leave big dents in it. So try to keep it a little further down on your forehead. I'm gonna let my hair sit like this for probably 15 or 30 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm not sure how long I've been gone, but I think it should be good. Oh, pretty. I'm going to take some ORS olive oil moisturizer and put this on my ponytail. I don't want it to be dry. Well, drier than it already is. The hair I'm going to be using is this Expressions hair in the number 2. It's so long. I think it's in 82 inches. Hell no, that's way too long. This is way too long. I'm going to have to cut it in half. Just like from here, it just keeps on going. That's way too long. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it in half. Let me find some scissors. I got some scissors, and right where the rubber band is at the top, I'm going to... This pony, like this hair is way too thick, so I'm going to have to take some of it off. Let me see. I'm gonna take like 1/3 of it out. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same process of like pulling the hair so it's not all blunt. After I got it all pulled and stretched, I'm gonna do the same looping trick. And I'm gonna take this and attach it to my ponytail. And then I'm gonna take the hair and place it on top of my real hair. Okay, your ponytail should look like this. Now I'm gonna try to split the hair in 3 while still having equal amounts of braiding hair on each section. Now that I've sectioned it equally, I'm going to start the braiding. I'm gonna have about this much at the end and take a rubber band, thin out the edges a little bit. Like you see some of my real hair right here. I'm just tuck that in. With the braid done, now we could get into our edges. For my edges today, I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges. This isn't my favorite edge control. I don't think I have one. So I'm gonna take some edge control and put them on my edges that I left out. And I'm taking a toothbrush and I'm gonna play around until I get them in a way that I like. Okay, well, that completes my look for today. I really like it. I haven't done a hairstyle like this in forever, so I'm really digging it. I used some products. Well, I used a product that I'm not accustomed to using, which is this Gorilla Snot. I like that it leaves like a little sheen to your hair, and yeah, that's about it. I just like that it leaves a little sheen to your hair. I don't feel like it's like maximum hold like a Got To Be would be. If I was to choose between the Got To Be and the Gorilla Snot, I would choose the Got To Be. I feel like that has a lot more hold. I guess we'll see about the flaking, because I know Got To Be flakes really bad, but I don't feel like it was a really good holding gel. Like, look at that. It's really, it didn't hold as much, so I got pins holding my hair in the back. I really like the look, and I hope you guys did too. And if you guys try out this hairstyle, please tag me on Instagram. I would really love to see that. My Instagram handle is Jadorju, just like my YouTube name, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. ColourPop.